So now we are at the first straps, and here we go. As you can see, I have two tails from the start and going back to the first point. And again, like I did on the two squares, I'm gonna make a double knot to connect them together. Okay, and make it like secure and like as a one tail. So I'm not gonna just like go all the way, grab it very tightly, just very gentle for the first one, and the second one will secure that gentle knot. And here we go. So still look like loose, not too tight, but they are like fixed together as one strand. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take these two. I don't have a seaming here, so you have two options. To take it inside the back of the strap in this little part here, so go back and forth inside your strap. Okay, this is the back of the strap. Or you take it to your work inside here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it just a little bit inside the strap. Why? Because it's kind of a tighter stitch. It's like very tight comparing to my loose, very wide double crochet. So it will not be that obvious when you hide it. I'm not gonna hide it like in a very long way. I'm just like a very small part to make sure it's secure inside. If you hide it here, it will be a little bit obvious, and this stitch is very loose because I used a very large crochet hook with a very fine yarn. And this one I use it 4.5. Yeah, it's a little bit like tighter. It's not that much, but as you can see the difference in the stitch. Okay, and this one is a little bit shorter because it's half double crochet. This one is double crochet, so it's wider and open. It will be obvious in this part and will not be that secure. So I'm gonna take it inside my strap, just a little bit, not too much. All I need to do is to secure my yarn so it's like it's still in and at the same time will not be visible. So here we go. Okay, have it like this. And this is the back of the strap. I'm gonna go inside this part here. This is the upper part. I'm gonna go in this down part, and again I'm gonna go like very gently. Maybe I'll make it one at a time. So I'm taking one, skipping one like this. Not too much. I'm gonna make another one, so it'll be my turning point, just like this. Take it in. Okay, so here we go. Okay, make sure it's not too tight, and then I'm gonna go back, leave a part here, just go back just a little, just make sure going all the way in. Here we go. Okay, and then make sure it's not like very tight or anything. Yep, here we go. That's it. And again, as you can see, this is the back of the strap. It's not visible. It's very perfect, right? And it's hidden. Now I cut the yarn. And here we go. Okay, when I turn around from the front, like, it's beautiful. Do the same thing to the other side as well. Again, I'm gonna take my two straps or my two tails and make a double knot, not too tight. Okay, then take them inside my needle and repeat the same thing. Okay, I'll go another one. Okay, just like this, that's enough for me to turn around. Okay, and make sure it's not tight. Hold it. Now skip this first part and then go back. Okay. Take it gently and pull the yarn very gently. Make sure it's not too tight. So here we go. Okay, and then cut the yarn. And here we go. It's hidden. Yep. So this is how you hide the straps. Okay, let's go to the center to close the mashing ring in the next video.